A smile is the light in your window that tells others there is caring, sharing person inside. Good morning, children. Today we are going to study the poem by Kamala Das, My Mother at 66. Do you know about Kamala Das? Kamala Das is popularly known as Madhavikutty, and her married name Kamala Das was an Indian English poet and writer. She was born in Kerala, and her autobiography, My Story, maybe you have seen the film Army. In that army, it is describing, or this army is just a description of her My Story. Ente Kada. In the poem, My Mother at 66, she describes her feeling of love and attachment towards her aging mother. Her feelings brings out her inner feelings. Her poems, in her writings, she expresses her inner feelings. Aging is a natural process, a natural phase in human life. Okay, we can move on to the poem. My Mother at 66. You know, at the age of 66, the poet is feeling tensed. How or why? Can move on to the poem. Before that, we can read about the author. Kamala Das, about the poet. Kamala Das was born in Malabar, Kerala. She is recognized as one of India's foremost poets. Her works are known for their originality, versatility, and the indigenous flavor of the soil. Not only that, her poems are really famous for her feelings, inner feelings and expressions. Do you know Sylvia Plath? She is known as Sylvia Plath in Malayalam. What is special about Sylvia Plath? She is expressing her own feelings, confessional. Her poetries are confessional. So Kamala Das also famous for her confessional poetry. In Malayalam, she wrote under the name Madhavikutty. She is a sensitive writer who captures the complex subtleties of human relationships in lyrical idiom. My Mother at 66 is an example. Before you read, aging is a natural process. Have you ever thought what our elderly parents expect from us? Have you ever thought your elderly parents expect from us? What they expect? They want us, their children and grandchildren, always with them. That is the thing they needed in their old age. Moving on to the poem. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me, doors open mouth, her face ashen like that of a corpse, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thoughts away and looked at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her, wan, pale as a late winter's moon, and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood fear. But all I said was, see you soon, Amma. And all I did was smile and smile and smile. This is why I said a smile is a light in your window that tells others that there is caring, sharing person inside you. So, driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, the poet here, or I here is the poet herself, that is Kamala Das. She is driving from her parents' home to Cochin. She is driving to Cochin. She is going to Cochin last Friday morning. I saw my mother beside me. She saw, I here is the poet Kamala Das. She saw her mother. Her mother is beside her. What is doing? Toss. She is sleeping, a small nap, sleeping. And what? How? Mouth opened. She is sleeping, mouth opened. And her face, what about her face? Her face ashen. Usually when we are describing about the face, we are saying pale, isn't pale? No, we will say pink face, fairly and all. But here, what is the word used here? It's used here. Her face ashen, not pink. Lost the color and vitality. And her face ashen like that of a corpse. What is a corpse? Dead body. Her face ashen. Her face is ashen like that of a corpse. Her face is not having vitality, not pink. Her face is just like a dead body. So simile is used here. Mother's face. Mother's face is compared to as her face ashen like the word like came here. So the figure of speech is simile. And that of a corpse. And realized with pain. What she realized with the pain? That she was as old as she looked. She painfully understood the reality that the mother is getting older. At any time she will lose her mother. That is the pain. Understood? She was driving from her parents' home to Cochin. Who is with her? Mother is always with her. She is beside her and she is sleeping. And she dozed. How? Open mouth. And when she looked at her mother, she understood that she is getting old. She lost all the vitality and energy. Her face is like that of a corpse, like that of a dead body, and painfully she understood the fact that at any time she will lose her mother. That means it's aging. Aging is a natural process. The mother is getting old or losing all the vitality. But soon put that thought away. But she tried to deviate her thoughts. She tries to deviate her thoughts. What she did? She put that thought away and looked at. She looked at out. Now the poet looked outside the car. Inside the car, mother is there. She is dozing, open mouth. So, to put her thought away, which thought? Losing her mother. Her mother is becoming old. She want to get rid of all these thoughts. She looked outside the car. What is outside the car? Young trees sprinting. Young trees sprinting. The merry children spilling out of their homes. What does she looked at? She saw that young trees. It is a natural that when we are going on a car, the trees are running. The young trees are running, and merry children are playing out of their homes. Children are happily playing out of their homes. This is a sharp contrast to mother's old age. Young trees are sprinting. All the vitality, all the energy. There, young trees sprinting, and merry children. Children are happily running here and there. So, sharp contrast. What is inside the car and what is outside the car? Sharp contrast. But, again shifting. But after the airport security check, standing few yards away. Now, after the security check, she again looked at her mother. I looked again at her. Wan, pale. Her face is again wan, pale, colorless. It describes the weakness and lifeless. As say again, simile is there. Again, the poet compare her mother's pale and wan face to a late winter's moon. As a late winter's moon, and I felt that old familiar ache. During her childhood, she is having a feeling of any time losing her mother. Usually small kids having that kind of fear. Kamala Das is in her very small age, she is with her grandmother. So whenever the mother goes out, she really feels that pain. So she says that in her childhood also, that is a childhood fear, losing her mother. My childhood, but all I said was, see you soon, Amma. See you soon, Amma. What she said, she knows that any time she will lose her mother, but she promised, she is giving, see you soon, Amma. She is giving a kind of promise. She is giving a kind of promise to her mother. Mama, see you soon. Surely we will meet again. See you soon. She is making her mother comfortable. See you soon, Amma. Why? Late winter's moon. Late winter's moon also lost energy and vitality. At any time, it will disappear. So that's why she compared the poet's mother to. That's why poet compares her mother to late winter's moon. Okay, and all I said was, see you soon, Amma. She made her mother very comfortable. And I did was, what she did? Smile, smile and smile. So the smile is repetition. The figure of speech is used here as repetition. Why she smiled? I have told you that smile also saying that there is a caring, loving person inside you. So the poet through her smile giving a comfortable, making her mother comfortable. Surely they will meet again. That is the main idea. Contrast is there. What is the contrast? Children, merry children spilling, young trees sprinting, merry children spilling. That is the sharp contrast to mother's age. And coming that simile is there. That is a mother is compared to like that of a corpse, and again she compared her mother to a late winter's moon. Okay, and repetition is there. What is that repetition? Smile and smile and smile. So these all are the figure of speeches used. And what is the poet form? It is free verse. There is no special form, and while looking into the poem we can see that she just put a comma to continuing. It is going continuously it is going, and there is no full stop. So there is free verse, no special rhyme scheme for this poem. So once again we can go through the poem. What is the theme? A theme. Aging is a natural process, and pain of separation and childhood fears. What? The poet Kamala Das driving from her home to Cochin. Who was with her? Mother. And what about her? She is really pale, weak, and she compared her mother to a corpse, both not having vitality, energy. And coming down, she soon put her thought away. She understood that mother is looking at her. So suddenly she put her thought away. What is that thought? That is pain of separation. Pain of separation she put away. And then she compared her mother to a late winter's moon. Late winter's moon lacks energy, vitality. Mother also lacks energy and vitality. Then she is giving a promise, kind of promise. See you soon, Amma. And to make her mother comfortable, she smiled. Okay, understood the poem? Okay, thank you.